How to use Chime with Facebook Pay. 1. Open the Facebook app. To link your Chime card with Facebook Pay, start by launching the Facebook app. Then, input your Chime card information directly into Facebook. 2. Click Menu. At the bottom of the Facebook app, you'll find a list of various tabs. Locate the Menu tab, which is the final tab among the 6 at the app's bottom. 3. Click Settings. In the upper right-hand corner of the menu screen, you'll spot a button that leads you to Facebook's Settings section, where you can add your Chime card. Simply click on the Settings option. 4. Click Payments. Within the Settings section of Facebook, you'll find an account category where you can manage personal info, passwords, security, and payment methods. To review or add payment methods, select Payments. 5. Click Orders and Payments. Under the Payments tab, you'll encounter 2 choices: Orders and Payments and Add Payments. If you want to manage your add payment method for promoting events or products, use the Add Payments screen. To link your Chime card or any other debit or credit card, opt for Orders and Payments. 6. Click Payment Methods. The Orders and Payments screen displays your transactions on Instagram and should also include those on Facebook and Messenger. To add a new payment method, just click the conveniently named Payment Methods button. 7. Click Add Payment Method. If you've already added a payment method, it will be visible on this screen. You have the option to edit, delete, or add a new payment method by clicking the Add Payment Method button. 8. Click Credit or Debit Card. When adding a new payment method on Facebook, you'll be presented with 3 choices: debit and credit cards, PayPal, or Shop Pay. To add your Chime card, simply select the option that treats it like a regular credit or debit card and click that button. 9. Type in your Chime card information. Lastly, Facebook will provide a screen for entering your card details. You'll require your Chime card to input its number, expiration date, security code, and the associated billing address. 10. Use Chime with Facebook Pay. After entering your Chime card details into Facebook Pay, you can utilize it for transactions within any of Meta's apps, including Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger, at any time.